Welcome to our fashion spotlight. Today we're diving into the world of frocks, those fabulous dresses that make you feel like you can conquer the world, or at least own the room. Whether you're dreaming of a red carpet moment, a fairy tale wedding, or just want to add a touch of magic to your everyday life, there's a frock design out there waiting to make you shine. On Project Runway, I've seen countless designs strut down the catwalk, and let me tell you, a well-crafted frock is a force to be reckoned with. It's not just about the fabric and the cut, it's about the confidence it gives you, the way it makes you move, the way it makes you feel. So get ready to be inspired. We're about to unveil 3 stunning frock designs that are perfect for any special occasion. Whether you're heading to a wedding, a party, or a festival, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, we're talking drama, darlings. We're talking about those show-stopping, jaw-dropping, entrance-making frocks that command attention. These are the gowns that make you feel like you've stepped right out of a fairy tale or onto the red carpet. Think big, think bold, think volume. We're talking about those full, flowing skirts that seem to go on forever, the kind that billow behind you as you walk and make you feel like you're floating on air. And the bodices? Think corseted perfection, with intricate beading, delicate embroidery, or maybe even a touch of sparkle. This design is perfect for those big life moments, weddings, galas, those nights when you really want to make a statement. Imagine yourself gliding into a ballroom in a shimmering, jewel-toned gown with a train that trails behind you like a whisper of elegance. Or picture yourself at your dream wedding, a vision in white with a skirt so full and luxurious it could rival a queen's. And don't be afraid to play with color. A rich emerald green, a deep sapphire blue, even a bold ruby red. These are the colors of confidence and glamour. And for a touch of timeless elegance, you can never go wrong with classic black or white. This is your moment to shine, so don't hold back. Embrace the drama, embrace the volume, and most importantly, embrace the confidence that comes with wearing a frock that makes you feel like you can conquer the world. Next up, we're celebrating curves with frock designs that are all about embracing your body and accentuating your natural beauty. We're talking about styles that flatter every curve, drape in all the right places, and make you feel like the goddess you truly are. Think classic silhouettes that never go out of style, empire waists that elongate the torso, A-line skirts that flow gracefully over hips and thighs, and wrap dresses that cinch at the waist and create a stunning hourglass shape. These are the styles that make you feel confident and radiant, no matter your size. And let's talk about fabrics for a moment. Choose luxurious materials that feel amazing against your skin. Soft georgette, flowing chiffon, or even a touch of shimmering satin. These fabrics drape beautifully and move with you, creating a look that's both elegant and effortless. Don't be afraid to add a touch of personality to your look with details that make you feel special. A delicate lace overlay, a beaded neckline, or even a strategically placed belt can elevate your frock from simple to stunning. Remember, confidence is the most beautiful accessory you can wear. Choose a frock that makes you feel amazing, and you'll radiate beauty from the inside out. Now it's time to have some fun. This next frock design is all about movement, joy, and embracing your inner child. We're talking about those playful, flirty frocks with big, bouncy skirts that make you want to twirl the night away. Picture a skirt that spins out from your waist like a blooming flower, a cascade of fabric that moves with you like a dream. Think layers of tulle, delicate net, or even soft cotton, all chosen for their comfort and their ability to create that perfect, whimsical silhouette. This design is perfect for birthdays, festivals, parties, any occasion where you want to feel carefree and ready to celebrate. It's also a fantastic choice for kids, bringing a touch of magic and whimsy to their wardrobes. And don't forget the details. Puff sleeves add a touch of vintage charm, while cape sleeves bring a sense of drama and movement. And when it comes to color and pattern, the sky's the limit. Think bright, bold hues, playful floral prints, even a touch of sparkle or shine. The key is to choose a frock that makes you feel happy and ready to dance the night away. It's all about embracing that playful, carefree spirit and letting your inner child shine through. Thanks for joining us on this fashion journey. We hope you found the perfect frock design for your next special occasion. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and having fun, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what makes you feel confident and beautiful. Whether you're drawn to dramatic silhouettes, classic elegance, or playful designs, there's a frock out there waiting to make you shine. And remember, the most important accessory you can wear is your confidence. So own your look, rock that frock, and show the world what you're made of. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. See you next time.